This is the pistol what I use. With these little BBs in there. Plastic. And yeah, there's a bee. And I want to see how it goes. If I can hit the bee on the window. No, it's not a bee, sorry. It's a wasp.
Right, I've got a wasp here on my window. I checked it is a wasp, not a bee. I'm waiting for it to come up. It's down there somewhere. It's up there. Let me have a focus. Oh, one shot gone. Brilliant. Was brilliant. Not sure if this is the same one or I didn't hit it the first time, or if it's the same. It's possible to say. Try again. Oops. No, I did check it. This time I definitely hit the wasp, and the wasp is gone. In heaven, in wasp heaven.